Hello, Sean Leidy here. We're here in Anchorage, Alaska. We're out at Lake Hood, one of the largest seaplane basins in the world, and housing over 2,000 aircraft, mostly modified bush planes. Like the one behind me is Cessna 185, has got a Continental IO 550D fuel-injected engine on the front, producing about 350 horsepower. I want to bring your attention today about something I've been thinking about for quite a long time, and I quite haven't figured out why we have B-nuts that are non-locking in general aviation. It'd be cost prohibitive to try to change all the hoses and B-nuts on this aircraft or any other aircraft, because firewall forward, I've counted 30 B-nuts on this aircraft. So I've came up with an idea and a design to help reduce the amount of B-nut backing off, as you'd say, probably. B-nuts coming off, B-nuts loosening up. It seems like I'm always finding a B-nut that's stained blue, or a leak, or a weep, or a drip. I've seen hose ends come off. I've seen aircraft engine failures in flight, which is total loss, total disaster. So I've created this product. How can I keep a B-nut from coming off without having to change all the hoses on the aircraft like helicopters? They're safety wired. So I kind of came up with this idea here, and it's a Bravolok. I've got some patents on this, and this is a multi-lock device. It's a silicone interlined sleeve with a nylon back. I've also incorporated holes into the backbone of it for standoffs, so it can be used in other applications. But primarily, it was to create friction between the B-nut and the hose end. I'll show you how it works. As you can see, up here on top of the motor, we've got a fuel flow meter. On the right side of the fuel flow meter, we got a steel B-nut, and we got torque stripe. Torque stripe isn't gonna lock your B-nut on. It just tells the FAA and the NTSB where it came from, if it loosened up, and where the problem started. Over on the left side, you can see my locking mechanism. Now what that does is this creates friction between the B-nut and the hose end. This is non-rotating, this is rotating, essentially creating a nylock nut. This I just put on there for extra added protection between the two, to hold the two together, hold the nut, encapsulate the nut all together. Bravolok, multi-lock, B-nut, nylock. Check it out. You can see my website. That's bravolok.com, and read up some reports. Thank you very much.